In this short tutorial, I will show you how to lock private browsing on an iPhone running iOS 17. Private browsing is a useful feature that allows you to browse the internet without leaving any traces, like history or cookies. However, sometimes it is necessary to restrict access to this feature, especially if you share your device with others or want to ensure your privacy. To get started, open up the Settings app on your iPhone and then scroll down until you see Safari. Once you find it, tap on it. After that, scroll down to the Privacy and Security section. Now you'll see an option called Require Face ID to unlock private browsing. So if you want to lock private browsing on your iPhone, simply toggle on this switch over here. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.